Aerial shots of highways, cars speeding, and trucks hauling goods every day. Billions of journeys begin with a simple roll. From busy city streets to long highways, vehicles depend on one essential component, the tire. Cut to slow motion, tire gripping wet road. But a tire is more than just rubber. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to handle heat, pressure, friction, and speed. Cut to factory gates opening today. We go inside a modern factory to uncover how tires are made. From scratch, rubber plantation, workers tapping trees, the journey begins in nature. With natural rubber, harvested from rubber trees, this milky liquid called latex is collected, processed, and dried into solid rubber blocks. Cut to industrial chemical plant. But natural rubber alone isn't enough. To meet modern demands, manufacturers combine it with synthetic rubber, created from petroleum-based compounds. Seen, materials laid out clearly. Other essential ingredients include carbon black, improving strength and resistance to wear, steel wires forming the tire's internal skeleton, textile fibers, adding flexibility and stability, sulfur and chemicals enabling heat resistance and durability. Each material is carefully selected and tested, because even the smallest variation can affect performance on the road. Giant internal mixer machines are rotating. Next comes one of the most critical stages, mixing. Inside massive industrial mixers, raw materials are blended under intense heat and pressure. Thick rubber tumbling. Temperatures can reach over 150 degrees Celsius. While powerful rotors knead the mixture into a uniform compound, this is where the tire's personality is formed, determining grip, flexibility, and resistance to wear. Rubber discharged in chunks once ready. The compound is released in thick, hot slabs ready for the next phase. Rolling mills flatten rubber. The rubber compound is now processed through rolling machines, transforming it into long, smooth sheets. These sheets are cut and shaped into different tire components. Show each component visually. The tread designed for traction and grip, the sidewalls providing flexibility and protection. The inner liner acting as an airtight layer, steel cords being coated. Steel wires are coated with rubber and arranged into belts, giving the tire strength and durability. Precise cutting machines. Every piece is manufactured with extreme precision, ensuring consistency and safety. Tire building machine in action. The tire begins to take shape. On a rotating drum, layers of material are assembled in a carefully controlled sequence. First, the inner liner is applied, creating an airtight seal. Next, fabric plies are added, forming the structure of the tire. Steel belts are then placed to reinforce strength. Sidewalls are attached to protect the internal layers. And finally, the tread is wrapped around the surface. The machine inflates and shapes the tire. The machine expands, shaping the tire into its recognizable form. Shows soft, unfinished tire. At this stage, it's called a green tire. Soft, flexible, and not yet ready for the road. Tire molds are closing with steam to transform the green tire into a durable product. It must undergo curing, also known as vulcanization. The tire is placed inside a mold and exposed to high heat and pressure. Tread pattern forming. Clearly, temperatures often exceed 150 degrees Celsius. While pressure forces the rubber into every detail of the mold, this process bonds the materials together, strengthens the rubber, and forms the tread pattern. The finished tire is being removed. When it emerges, the tire is no longer soft. It is strong, resilient, and ready for action. Inspection line. Machines scanning tires before any tire reaches the road. It must pass strict quality checks. Experts examine each tire for visible defects. Advanced X-ray machines scan for hidden internal flaws. Uniformity. Tests ensure balance and performance at high speeds. Durability. Tests simulate real-world conditions, pushing tires to their limits. Only those that meet the highest standards are approved. Tires stacked, labeled, and loaded onto trucks. Approved tires are labeled, packaged, and prepared for shipment, from factories to dealerships. They begin their journey to drivers around the world, cars driving smoothly, sunset. From raw materials to precision engineering, tire manufacturing is a remarkable blend of science and innovation. So the next time you're on the road, remember every mile depends on the strength beneath you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible factory stories.